Now, Fox 61 Weather Impact with meteorologist Sam Samperi.
And good Saturday evening, everyone. I'm meteorologist Sam Samperi in the Fox 61 Weather Center. We're on the weather impact alert for the potential for some strong storms. As of this hour, this 5 to 6 o'clock hour, we are watching severe thunderstorm watches, which are held back just to our west, and tornado watch even down in the New Jersey area and eastern Pennsylvania. Damaging wind, lightning, heavy rain, and flash flooding. For us, it looks like we're going to have maybe a couple of strong storms moving in a little while. Scattered severe storms now through 9 o'clock for points out west. I think for us, we may not get into some heavier rain till later on this evening. A slight chance for an isolated tornado, but that would be off to our west for now. But we always keep an eye on things because in this kind of a very unstable air mass, things can pop pretty fast. For example, just like this little heavy cell now, just to the north of Clinton there. And what's been going on a lot of this morning and into the early afternoon, there has been a band of very heavy rain associated with the warm front in the New York City area, Long Island. Now that's even pushed a little bit south. So what we have going on is we have a warm front moving through, and the two things are inhibiting some of the strength of these storms. One is that we have clouds and the rain earlier. Two is we have a smoky sky. But again, a little bit different because this is more about wind direction shear with height. So when that happens, so you get a little bit of twist and turn, and the radar will pick up that, and it could become a small tornado. So we're keeping an eye on that the next few hours into this evening. Right now, the severe weather is up towards Binghamton, and just keeping an eye on that there, the heavy rain, gusty winds. This is just another view of it right now. We just have a couple of pop-up showers to the south of Hartford right now, and just back up to the north. Again, just showing a couple of latest storm warnings going on. Wind speeds gusting up to 70 miles per hour. That's been the history with these storms. And hail size is a little bit unusual, but you got some very cold air loft that's running in the somewhat unstable atmosphere. A little bit further out west here, here's the line of showers and storms. This is the main cold front. So this still has quite a travel time here, next 5 or 6 hours to get south of Connecticut. So again, we're going to be watching this line of showers and storms, and sometimes ahead of it, you can pick up an individual cell that can turn, have a little bit of rotation in it. So that's what I'm watching right now in the next couple of hours. Again, the strongest weather looks to be further out west. Now, where you see these hash marks in Williamsport, I mean, it's the National Weather Service is keeping an eye on the rotation there. That's a severe thunderstorm warning, but there is the potential that those areas in the hash lines there that you see in the yellow polygon means that there could be a potential development of tornadic activity. But for now, it's just a severe thunderstorm warning. And again, most of the severe weather is out to our west for now. And again, taking a look at any storm reports, nothing here in Connecticut, a lot of flooding down in New York City. Rainfall, not a lot here. It's just been one of those kind of days with the smoky sky and the clouds. It's kept temperatures down too. And some areas of a pretty good moderate rain earlier with these warm frontal showers rolling in. And again, you could see down in New York and Long Island where they had some flooding. So what does all this mean? So what does severe thunderstorm entail? Again, winds at least 58 miles per hour, and or it can be one or the other or both, hail of at least 1 inch in diameter. And of course, all thunderstorms contain vivid lightning, severe or not. And to me, lightning is a big killer, and that's something you really want to pay attention to, even in a regular thunderstorm. And again, so what this means, a watch, prepare, but we don't have a watch. What we have is these little pop-up warnings, and that's something that we can only monitor for you hour by hour. And all of a sudden, we get a cell, and you get a little bit of a thunderstorm warning, hail and wind, and again, that isolated tornadic activity off to our west, not here in Connecticut. This hour, we have temperatures that really haven't warmed up much. Upper 60s to lower 70s. Dew points, well, they're holding in check for now, but we do see some dew points just off to our west. Whenever you get a cold front coming down like this, you are going to see dew points kind of pull up, get dragged up right ahead of that front, because the front will pull up that south wind and bring those dew points up right before the cold front comes in. So that's why many times, all of a sudden, you'll get a severe thunderstorm warning right before the cold front rolls on by. Right now, we have a south wind. That's another thing. It's kind of stabilizing the atmosphere ever so slightly, because you're bringing in cooler ocean air, especially along the shore. And it's been pretty good winds going on, too, even a gust of up near 25 in a couple of towns, as you could see. And current visibility is up and down. It's all over the place today, but again, it's been held down mostly because we still have the particulate pollution from the wildfire smoke. And that's been kind of stuck from the Great Lakes down through the Mid-Atlantic and through New England over this past few days. And that has gone further south. But now, with that warm front, it's brought that plume a little bit further north. Now, of course, with the moisture, it's kind of diluted the smoky sky. But you can see that when we get a little bit of clearing here and there, that's when you could see that sun, but you could see the haze, and that's why visibilities are down. Let's put things in perspective as we head through this Saturday evening. You could see that we might see a few more breaks in the cloud cover. And again, we're watching some storms up here, but this is an hourly model, and sometimes it misses a couple of cells ahead of time. But the main idea here is that things are slowing down as far as the cold front rolling on in right now. Here's the line at 8 o'clock. We're still, the main line is up in Albany, and then it starts to make a run for us at 10, 11 o'clock. But notice how it just breaks apart. And that could be good news for us. You know, we don't want to have any severe weather on a Saturday afternoon or Saturday night, but unfortunately, we had to prepare you ahead of time just in case. So you could see after midnight, we clear out, and here's the good news. What a beautiful day we are going to have on a Sunday. Just a little review for everybody. Tornado versus a microburst. We talk about this. Microburst, we have tree damage in one direction, same direction. But tornado, you get that all over the place. It goes one direction and then another. So you get kind of a little bit of a spin. 2018, May 15th. That was our big tornado outbreak, and you could see a lot of damage. And it wasn't only one town. It went right through Brookfield, Southbury, Hamden area, all through south central and southwestern Connecticut. So at any rate, as we move forward again, your Sunday, we're going to be drying out. It's going to be beautiful, bright sun, blue skies, temperature 75 to 80, and pleasant. Here's a temperature profile. Let's enjoy it. 75 to 80, northwest wind 5 to 15, FOX61 7-day forecast. And once again, we are going to have a beautiful Sunday and Monday. And then Tuesday, Wednesday, we do it all over again. Showers with a warm front, cold front on Wednesday with some storms. The good news is it looks like we'll have a beautiful stretch of weather by the second half of the week and into next weekend. Everyone, have a safe Saturday evening.